We need strength while doing the possible, but we need faith while doing the impossible. Good morning, everybody. I am Chaitra S., the Master of Ceremony. Welcome you all for the special event Cultural Day at Chitrakuta Kaushalya School. We are delighted to have you all with us today to celebrate and enjoy the performances of our little ones. Today is a day we come together as a community to celebrate and enjoy the hard work and creativity of our children. Our event is a celebration of joy, learning, and growth that happens every day at our school. While we enjoy the performances, let's remember how important it is to appreciate our little ones' effort. Dance performances are a part of every cultural program in our country, isn't it? Dance performances give huge amount of enthusiasm in the audience, isn't it? Now get ready for a heavy dose of entertainment from our children of M1A1 batch with a huge round of applause.
ಕುರುಡು ಕಾಂಚಾಣ ಕುಣಿಯುತ್ತಲಿತ್ತು ಕಾಲಿಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದವರ ತುಳಿಯುತ್ತಲಿತ್ತು ಕುರುಡು ಕಾಂಚಾಣ ಕುಣಿಯುತ್ತಲಿತ್ತು ಕಾಲಿಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದವರ ತುಳಿಯುತ್ತಲಿತ್ತು ಕುರುಡು ಕಾಂಚಾಣ ಕುರುಡು ಕಾಂಚಾಣ ಕುರುಡು ಕಾಂಚಾಣ ಕುರುಡು ಕಾಂಚಾಣ ಏ ಕುರುಡು ಕಾಂಚಾಣ ಕುಣಿಯುತ್ತಲಿತ್ತು ಕಾಲಿಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದವರ ತುಳಿಯುತ್ತಲಿತ್ತು ಕುರುಡು ಕಾಂಚಾಣ ಕುಣಿಯುತ್ತಲಿತ್ತು ಕಾಲಿಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದವರ ತುಳಿಯುತ್ತಲಿತ್ತು ಬಾಣಂತಿಯರ ಹೊಸ ಬಾಣದ ಬಿಳುಪಿನ ಕಾಣದ ಕಿರುಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ಕಾಲಗೈಯಿತ್ತು ಬಾಣಂತಿಯರ ಹೊಸ ಬಾಣದ ಬಿಳುಪಿನ ಕಾಣದ ಕಿರುಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ಕಾಲಗೈಯಿತ್ತು ಸಣ್ಣ ಕಣ್ಣಂಬಳ ಕಣ್ಣಿನ ಕೌಡಿಯ ತಣ್ಣನ ಜೋಮಾಲೆ ಕೊಡೊಳಗಿತ್ತು ಕುರುಡು ಕಾಂಚಾಣ ಕುರುಡು ಕಾಂಚಾಣ ಕುರುಡು ಕಾಂಚಾಣ ಏ ಕುರುಡು ಕಾಂಚಾಣ ಕುಣಿಯುತ್ತಲಿತ್ತು ಕಾಲಿಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದವರ ತುಳಿಯುತ್ತಲಿತ್ತು ಕುರುಡು ಕಾಂಚಾಣ ಕುಣಿಯುತ್ತಲಿತ್ತು ಕಾಲಿಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದವರ ತುಳಿಯುತ್ತಲಿತ್ತು ಕುರುಡು ಕಾಂಚಾಣ ಕುಣಿಯುತ್ತಲಿತ್ತು ಕಾಲಿಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದವರ ತುಳಿಯುತ್ತಲಿತ್ತು ಕುರುಡು ಕಾಂಚಾಣ ಕುಣಿಯುತ್ತಲಿತ್ತು ಕಾಲಿಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದವರ ತುಳಿಯುತ್ತಲಿತ್ತು
ಸುಗ್ಗಿ ಕಾಲ ಹಿಗ್ಗಿ ಬಂದಿತೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗ್ಯ ತಂದಿತೋ
ಸುಗ್ಗಿ ಕಾಲ ಹಿಗ್ಗಿ ಬಂದಿತೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗ್ಯ ತಂದಿತೋ
ಧಾನ್ಯದ ರಾಶಿಯ ಎಲ್ಲೆಡೆ ಚೆಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾ ಧಾನ್ಯದ ರಾಶಿಯ ಎಲ್ಲೆಡೆ ಚೆಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾ
ಭೂಮಿ ತಾಯಿ ಕಾಳು ಕೊಟ್ಟಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ತುಂಬ ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟಳು ಸುಗ್ಗಿ ಕಾಲ ಹಿಗ್ಗಿ ಬಂದಿತೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗ್ಯ ತಂದಿತೋ
ಸುಗ್ಗಿ ಕಾಲ ಹಿಗ್ಗಿ ಬಂದಿತೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗ್ಯ ತಂದಿತೋ
ನಕ್ಕು ನಕ್ಕು ಜಗ್ಗು ಜಗ್ಗು ನಕ್ಕನ ಜಗ್ಗು ನಕ್ಕು ನಕ್ಕು ಜಗ್ಗು ಜಗ್ಗು ನಕ್ಕನ
ಜಗ್ಗು ನಕ್ಕು ನಕ್ಕ ಜಗ್ಗು ಜಗ್ಗು ನಕ್ಕನ ಜಗ್ಗು ನಕ್ಕು ನಕ್ಕ ಜಗ್ಗು ಜಗ್ಗು ನಕ್ಕನ
ಜಗ್ಗು ನಕ್ಕು ನಕ್ಕು ಜಗ್ಗು ಜಗ್ಗು ನಕ್ಕನ
ಜಗ್ಗು ನಕ್ಕು ನಕ್ಕ ಜಗ್ಗು ಜಗ್ಗು ನಕ್ಕನ
ಜಗ್ಗು ನಕ್ಕು ನಕ್ಕು ಜಗ್ಗು ಜಗ್ಗು ನಕ್ಕನ.
Wow, their energy filled the stage, isn't it? They were cute. I'll ask you a few questions. Let's see who will answer first. What has teeth but can't bite? Yes, correct. Both of you answered correctly. And what do you put in a bucket to make it weigh less? What do you put in a bucket to make it weigh less? Yes, can you be louder? No? Okay. You have to put a hole in the bucket to make it way less. Our next performance is from our young and talented stars who have been preparing eagerly to share the talent with you. They have worked very hard and now it's time for them to shine. Let's welcome our M1 B1 batch children on stage with a huge round of applause.
Okay, so now all our children are ready. Parents are also ready. Okay, so first they're going to welcome you all with the yellow sun. 1, 2, 3, start. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗಿವ್ ದಮ್ ಅ ಬಿಗ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಪ್ಲಾಸ್. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗರು ಕಾಗೆದು ಒಂದು ಕತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಕಾಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? 1, 2, 3, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್.
ಒಂದು ಕಾಗೆ ಬಂದಿತು, ಎರಡು ಕಾಳು ತಿಂದಿತು, ಮೂರು ಮೊಟ್ಟೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿತು, ನಾಲ್ಕು ಸಲ ಕೂಗಿತು, ಕಾ 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 ಕಾ, ಐದು ಸಲ ಹಾರಿತು.
वेरी गुड, प्लीज गिव देम अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज. अभी हमारे बच्चे बारिश में भीग के बारिश पे भी एक गाना बना दिया उन्होंने, पानी बरसा. ओके, 1, 2, 3, स्टार्ट.
पानी बरसा छम छम छम, छाता लेके निकले हम, पैर फिसल गए गिर गए हम, नीचे छाता ऊपर हम.
Very good. Please give them a big round of applause. Okay, our children are so time specific. They are very concerned about the time. So they have for everything one time. Ready to tell? Tick tock. 1, 2, 3, start.
Tick tock, मेरे sings the clock. It's time to work, it's time to play, it's time to eat, it's time to sleep. Sings the clock all day. Tick tock.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗಿವ್ ದಮ್ ಅ ಬಿಗ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಪ್ಲಾಸ್. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೆ ಆಟ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಷ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾವ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಾರೆ ಕೇಳೋಣ? 1, 2, 3, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್.
ಆಟ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಮಜಾ ಆಟ. ಆಟ ಜಾರ ಬಂದೆ ಆಟ. ಜಾರಿ ಮಜಾ ಬಂತು, ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ ನಗು ಬಂತು. ಆಟ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಮಜಾ ಆಟ.
Very good. Please give them a big round of applause. Thank you, children.
What an amazing rendition of the rhyme, right? Can you please give them one more big, huge round of applause? Action games combine physical activity, imagination, and innovation. They also help children to build their acting skills, foster teamwork, boost confidence. Now, our M1 A1 batch children are ready with action skills to show to you. Are you ready? Please give them a big round of applause and welcome them.
So our A-batch children are back again. So you saw them dancing. Now they will play a small game and they will do a small activity in front of you. Ready, children? Oh, wow, they are ready. Okay. 1, 2, 3, start. Julu 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 julu. Julu 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 julu. Julu 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 julu. Julu 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 julu. Okay. So now everyone are coming and settling down. Okay, once you wave a hi to Papa Mama. Okay. So now, who are you? You came no julu 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 julu. Who are you? You're a drop of water. Okay. Now drop of water. What are you used for? ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Drinking, bathing, scrubbing. Okay, then cooking, swimming, then playing. Okay, see, the drop of water is used for so many things. Please give them a big round of applause. Okay, now do you have a message? What message? See, a drop of water is requesting all of us that please don't waste me. Please save me. You get up. Please get up. Okay, next. Next to Tamashi. Okay, now you must be wondering why our children all are sitting like this. They are all small seeds who are sown in Chitrakuta. Now I request the teacher Rashmi ma'am to come and water these seeds. And then you will see a magic happening in front of your eyes. Yes, okay. So, Rashmi ma'am, thank you, Rashmi ma'am. Okay, now you will see a magic happening. Give me water, give me sunshine. I will grow, I will grow. Give me water, give me sunshine. I will grow. Wow, see, you're growing and parents are clapping for you. Now, please tell them, who are you? Oh, so from a drop of water, they became a big tree. Okay, what do you give, tree? What do you give? Fruits, then vegetables, then fresh air, then shade, then ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೇನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ? Wood. ಡಬ್ಬ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಂತೆ. Wood. Okay. Now again, do you have a message? What is your message? Okay, so the trees are requesting, please don't cut them. Please save them. Please give them a big round of applause. Okay. Now our children will exhibit different dolls. Okay. Ready? Yes? Okay. Walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Stop. Now you're all Namaste dolls. How are you going to greet? Walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Stop. Now you're all marching dolls. How do you march? Very good. Again. Walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Stop. Now you're all exercise dolls. Exercise heng ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? 1. Don't hurt others. Okay, very good. Again, walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Stop. Now you're all dancing dolls. Dancing. Henge. La 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 la. La 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 la. Nam dolls ಗೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ನಾಚಿಕೆ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ. Okay. Again, walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Stop. Now you're all singing dolls. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹಾಡು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಹಾಡು. Very good. Again, walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Now you're all laughing dolls. ಹೆಂಗ್ ನಗ್ತೀರಾ? ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ನಗಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮಂಗೆ. Oh, very nice. Okay, again. Walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Stop. Now you're all crying dolls. Okay, very good. Again, walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Stop. Now you're all angry dolls. Anger. Okay, very good. Again, walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Stop. Now you're all thinking dolls. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಏನ್ ಬಂತು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ? ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತು. Very good. Again, walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Stop. Now you're all sleeping dolls. Very good. Again, walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Now finally you're all bye-bye dolls. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ bye-bye? Okay. Thank you, children.
Weren't our dolls so cute? They gave a good message also, right? Story is an excellent activity for pre-primary children for their development and growth. Story also helps them to be expressive, be creative, and fostering imagination and innovation. Are you all ready to listen to your story from the young ones? Yes. So give our M1 B1 batch a big round of applause.
So, we are all used to listen to stories from our ajis and tatas and all that. But now our children, they are so glued to mobile, so they don't like to listen to stories. But this is a small attempt from our M1, B batch and A batch children to narrate and act a few stories in front of you. So maybe the story, they may change the script itself. They may create another new story itself, or they may do the old story itself. So the known story, this is the cap seller and the monkeys. It's a small attempt. Let us enjoy and watch. Ready, all of you? Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. Now, who are you? We are. How do you jump? Then how do you eat? Now you are very tired after eating. What you are going to do? What is there? The tree is outside the window. Okay. So everything is imagination. Okay, now who comes? Turn this side. What you are going to buy? Sell caps?
One, get two, get three, get four, get so many cats. Yellow cat, red cat, green cat, blue cat, green cat, blue cat,
Color.
cat.
Now what happened to you also? So what you are going to do? So where you are going to keep the basket? Okay. Yeah. The monkeys are eagerly waiting. Next, where you all should go? Monkeys, they'll see you. Go fast. Dham. Search here. Did you find the caps? Then who has taken the caps? Look on the tree. What are you going to tell? Okay, now what you're going to do? Think of an? Think of an? Yen banto? What idea? Hey, monkeys. Do what I do. Monkeys have agreed. Okay, next what you're going to do? Next what you're going to do? Okay, next what you're going to do? So the monkeys only showed them what to do. I told you, no, they may change the story. Okay. Okay. Yeah, what you going to do? Now what you people are going to do? Wow, gone all caps. So please give them a big round of applause. Thank you, children.
Wow, what an amazing storytelling, right? All the monkeys are really cute. Our little stars are buzzing with excitement. They are preparing eagerly to give you a performance that is filled with innocence and joy. They may be small in size, but they have big voices and even bigger hearts. They cannot, wait to share their love for singing in front of you. So, shall we put our hands together for M1A1 batch children? Please give them a huge round of applause.
Okay, now they will officially tell you a hi. First time they were dancing, second time they were performing something else. They were just not standing like this. So now, ಇವಾಗ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಇವಾಗ ರೈಮ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ. ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? Okay, so now our children are going to hop a little, jump a little. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. bend. Very good. Please give them a big round of applause. Okay. ನಾವು ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಗೊಂಬೆ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಆ ಗೊಂಬೆ ಜೊತೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಾರೆ ಕೇಳೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, 1 2 3 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. ಚಿನ್ನ ಮುತ್ Very good. Please give them a big round of applause. Okay. अभी हमारे बच्चे एक हाथी राजा से मिले और हाथी राजा को ही अपना दोस्त बना लिया. ओके, 1 2 3 स्टार्ट. गर्भी Very good. Please give them a big round of applause. Okay. Now our children are ready to make something very tasty for you, the popcorn. Okay? 1 2 3 start. Eat it. Very good. Give them a big round of applause. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗರು ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಕತೆನ ಹಾಡ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಕುರಿಮರಿ ಕತೆನ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? 1 2 3 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. ಮುದ್ದು ಕುರಿ ಏನ್ ಬಂತು? ಪಟ್ಟೆ ಹುಲಿ ಕುರಿಯ ತಿನ್ನ ಹಾರಿತಮ್ಮ. ಇವಾಗ ಯಾರು ಬಂದ್ರು? Wow, very good. Please give them a big round of applause. Thank you, children.
Wasn't it a heartwarming performance? Please give them a big hand. Imagine tiny feet running and jumping and having the time of their lives. Now get ready for another dose of energy like no other. Up next, we have our spirited performers to showcase their action skills just for you. So put your hands together, give a roaring welcome to our pin-size performers of M1 B1 batch.
Okay, so you must be wondering why our children are sitting like this. They're all popcorn seeds. Okay, so now they will prepare something very, very interesting for you. Now, ellaru ange ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಹಾಯ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮಂಗೆ. Okay, so now I request all the popcorn seeds to jump into the vessel. Plup, plup. Okay, now I'm going to keep this vessel on the gas stove and I'm going to switch on the gas. On. What's happening? Ayo, busy ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? Plup, 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 plup. What's ready? So yummy popcorn with GST tax is ready. You can say, you can have it with your own flavor. Ready? Okay, very good. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಪಾಪ್ಕಾರ್ನ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೊಡು? ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹೆಂಗ್ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಹಿಂಗೆ. ಓಕೆ. So now these are all ice candies. In this winter season, it was a very hot day. So I decided to have ice candies. So I went to the ice cream shop and I got so many flavors of ice candies and I kept it in the freezer. Then once after my lunch, I wanted to have dessert. So I took out all the ice candies, kept it on the table. Then what happened? I got a phone call. Then when I was answering the phone call, what happened to the ice candies on the table? ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಟೊಯ್ ಅಂತ ಕರ್ಗೋಯ್ತು. ಅಯ್ಯೋ, my dream of eating ice candies was just a dream. So I was just thinking what to do and all the ice candies were laughing at me. See, I've melted. So then I got an idea. I kept back all the ice candies in the freezer. So what happened inside the freezer? Toing! Wow, except for one blackcurrant ice cream, all others I got back. ಅದು ನನಗೆ 3 ದಿನದಿಂದ ಕೈ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಆ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮು. ಅದು ಬರಲ್ವಂತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ವಂತೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇಟ್, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗಿವ್ ದೆಮ್ ಅ ಬಿಗ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಪ್ಲಾಸ್. Okay, now our children, through their body language and their voices, they'll exhibit a few animal walks. ಇವಾಗ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮಂಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಆನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗ್ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಂತೆ. ನೀವು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀರಾ? ಆದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ರಿಗೊಬ್ರು ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಹೌ ಡಸ್ ಅ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಫ್ಲೈ? ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಟಾಪ್. Now how does a monkey jump? Okay, so different varieties of monkeys. Stop. Now how does an elephant walk? Okay, stop. Now how does a frog jump? Frog. Okay, stop. Now how does a duck walk? Duck. Okay, stop. ಆ ಕಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. Okay. Now how does a lion or a tiger walk? ಎಲ್ಲ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರೋ ಲಯನ್ ಟೈಗರು. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಟಾಪ್. Now how does a mosquito fly? Mosquito. Okay, stop. Now how does a giraffe walk? Giraffe. Okay, stop. Now finally, how do M1B bat children walk? ನೀವೆಂಗ್ ನಡೀತೀರಾ? ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದೆಲ್ಲ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ನೀವೆಂಗ್ ನಡೀತೀರಾ? ಮರ್ತೋದ್ರಾ? Okay, so please give them a big round of applause. Thank you, children.
Wasn't that an awesome act from our little children? We have another story. Who all are ready? Yes, all are ready. Before that, let me ask you one more question. You have to listen to it carefully. Poor people have it. Rich people need it. If you eat, you will die. Shall I repeat the question? Poor people have it. Rich people need it. If you eat, you will die. If you eat that, you will die. Anybody? Think. Thinking dolls. Thinking dolls. think. Let me give the answer later for this. Now, story is fosters fun and joy. It is a playful and engaging activity that gives huge amount of happiness and excitement in our children. Incorporating these stories into our young children will really boost their confidence. It will help them express themselves and also cultivates our culture. Now, our A1 batch children are ready with another story. Please welcome them with a huge round of applause.
Okay, so another story is on your way. I told you, no? They may keep the original story, or they mix the story, or they may change the story. We don't know. We will see what they'll do today. Yes. Ready, all of you? Okay, this story is Unity in Strength. Okay. 1, 2, 3, start. Fly, 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 fly in the. Ah. What did you see? Ah. Okay. Now who will come? Who? Ha. See, the birds are only helping them. Ah. Now what did you see? What did you see? Birds. Ah. What you're going to do? Ah. So for that, what you have to think, no? Ah. What did it strike? Ah. ಏನ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತು? ಓಕೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇವಾಗ ನೀವೇನ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ? ಬಾ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ತಿನ್ನೋ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಿಂತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಯಾರು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ? ಹಾ, ಹಂಟರ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ನಾಚಿಕೆ. ಹಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾ ಬೇಡವಾ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಇವತ್ತು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಾ ಬೇಡವೋ ಅಂತ. ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ. ಓಕೆ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ ಹಂಟರ್ಸು? ಓಕೆ, ನೋಡಿ ನಮ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅವರೇ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏನ್ ಬಂತು? ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತಾ? ಓ, ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬರಕ್ ಮುಂಚೆನೆ ಎದ್ಬಿಟ್ರು. ಓಕೆ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇವಾಗ? ಫ್ಲೈ ಇನ್ ದ ಫ್ಲೈ 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 ಇನ್ ದ ಸ್ಕೈ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗಿವ್ ದಮ್ ಅ ಬಿಗ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಪ್ಲಾಸ್. Okay, now children, please come and stand in a line. Ma'am will call out your names. Yes, stand in a line. See, all should be seen, no? You have to wave a hi to Papa Mama. Okay? Please stand in a line. Come, please stand.
Children, I'll call out your name. You have to tell hi to Papa Mama, okay? Arav, Gunav, Mayur, Navya, Ritanya, Samvit, Suhasi, Suvir, Tejas, Vibha, Vidisha, Vinya. Thank you. Wasn't that an awesome act from our little children? Okay, you thought about the story or you Googled it? No one Googled it, right? What is the answer? Anybody got it? Nothing. I think this is Google only. Yeah, nothing is the answer. Poor people have nothing. Rich people need nothing. If we eat nothing, we will die, right? Okay. Our students have been putting a lot of hard work in the preparation from past 2 months. They have got the right attitude, they have got the right moves, and I'm sure they're going to rock the stage too. They want to make sure every move is perfect. So it's none other than our children of M and B1 batch who are ready to give you a dance performance. Please welcome them with a huge round of applause.
3, 2, 1.
छोटे छोटे तमाशे जैसे पानी बताशे हाथों से ना जाने दे, हाले हाले झरोके चल खोले, खुशी के थोड़ी हवा तो आने दे, दबे दबे पाँव जरा चले आओ, ये पल मिलेंगे कहाँ, ये जिंदगी है और क्या, एक चुटकुला हंसते जरा, खफा खफा क्यों है तू, छोटे छोटे तमाशे जैसे पानी बताशे हाथों से ना जाने दे, हौले हौले झरोके चल खोले, खुशी के थोड़ी हवा तो आने दे, रततता।
झटका जरा सा महसूस हुआ एक लाइफ की गाड़ी ने कस के मारा ब्रेक हो रहा है क्यों कंफ्यूज मेरे दिल मशवरा मेरा तू आजमा के देख यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक 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 बेटा यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक 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 बेटा
Children, now I'm going to call out your name one by one. You have to wave hi to Papa Mama. Okay? Atharva, Chiara, Duvit, Gunvit, Kalyani, Lashika, Meerav, Surya, Tejaswin, Tushita, Virant, Visheshita. Thank you. Wasn't that a power-packed performance from our young children? Standing on stage itself is a big thing, but they are doing awesome on stage. She is an inspiring individual who has dedicated her life for art of dance. She brings joy and creativity in our young dancers. Let's welcome our dance teacher, Anusha ma'am, with a huge round of applause.
Good morning, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the performance. Do you? Climbing the stage for the first time and doing so much is really a great thing, which children also enjoyed. Even as an individual, I enjoyed teaching them. Actually, they made me teach the simpler steps which I can put to the dance. In the starting, I was like, do this leg. No, ma'am, we can't. Then I need to do something and make them dance, right? So I made it simpler. They also taught me a new learning. Thank you so much, Chaitanya sir, Joita ma'am, and also Shweta Parekh ma'am, and all the M1 teachers. Their support is like limitless. Every minute, even if I call, they come dance. Yes, teachers were always supportive. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Anusha ma'am. She brings stories to life. Her class is always filled with fun and creativity. She sparks imagination in our young children and brings out the best actors in them. Let's welcome our theatre teacher, Brinda ma'am, with a huge round of applause.
Good morning, all of you. So hopefully you enjoyed your children's performance. Yeah. So it's very nice to see our children performing for the first time on stage. And it takes a lot of courage to come on stage. Maybe some would have just been smiling at their parents or just waving to their parents, or some with full energy they were performing. So the flight is not important, the takeoff, they have taken off. So the height is not important. The flight is important. So let them fly, give them that freedom. So maybe today they wouldn't have they were smiling and standing, or some were just searching for their parents because they were like so many faces. Where is my father sitting? Where is my mother sitting? They were like that. And some were like bindas. Okay, I will perform. So it's just, they are like wet cement. So you can mold them in any way. So this creativity, so Chitrakuta provides this space for creativity at a very young age. So I would like to take this opportunity to thank our chairman Chaitanya sir, our principal Joita ma'am, and the head Shweta Parekh ma'am, Shubha ma'am, Vidya ma'am, and all the M1 teachers and the supporting staff who made this show happen. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Brinda ma'am. I am overwhelmed with joy and pride as I reflect the performances that we have witnessed today. I would like to take a moment to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our chairman and principal ma'am for giving me this opportunity. I would like to thank all the young performers out there. I would like to thank theatre teachers, dance teachers, class teachers, supporting team and technical team for making this show a big success. Mainly, I would thank all the audience. Your applauses mean the world to us. Thank you so much for being there with full of energy and supporting our children. Let's give one big round of applause for making the show a big success. Thank you.